The Palladian House, a boarding school affiliated with the first ICSE board in Madhya Pradesh, known for its innovative approach, organized its annual educational camp in Barwaha. Running from December 21 to December 24, this camp featured daily events where children enthusiastically participated. The aim of the camp is not only to develop knowledge but also to nurture hidden talents in children. During the camp, all students stayed on the school premises, fostering a sense of unity among those accustomed to living in nuclear families, and they shared their thoughts on the importance of communal living.
We all are very fortunate to have this moment with us. I don't think so any person would able to do all these things for the children. We are here to share our feelings with the natures, and if we had a moment with this in future, so I think we would have very fun in this, and it's incredible to have the moment on there to share our feelings with nature.
यहाँ पर आके एक अलग ही फीलिंग आती है। जो हम बुक्स में पढ़ते हैं वो हमें रियल लाइफ में महसूस करने का मौका मिलता है। यहाँ पर आके हमें हमारे दोस्तों के साथ एक नया बॉन्डिंग बनाने का मौका मिलता है क्लास के बाहर। यहाँ पर बहुत अच्छा माहौल है, यहाँ पर पेड़ हैं, यहाँ पर पौधे हैं, यहाँ पर खेलने का अलग ही मज़ा आता है।
Usually from this world we are going into a digital world and the nature is just leaving behind. But in this session we made ourselves connect to the nature itself. So this was all I learned in this camp.
On the first day of the camp, a journalist workshop was organized. Zee News special correspondent Shri Pushpendra Vaidya familiarized the children with the intricacies of journalism. The children were taken to Omkareshwar temple, among other places, for reporting, interviewing and conducting ground surveys. They explored the temple's arrangement, issues and improvements, and also observed the dam project, asking pertinent questions.
तो आप देख सकते हैं हम लोग आए हैं ओमकारेश्वर। हम अभी यहाँ ओमकारेश्वर की मार्केट में हैं। यहाँ पे बहुत सारी अलग अलग चीजें मिलते हैं। सबसे प्रसिद्ध है यहाँ पे सिंदूर है। सिंदूर यहाँ अलग अलग तरीके के हैं, जैसे लाल सिंदूर है, महरून है, पीले हैं। यहाँ ऐसा माना जाता है कि यहाँ का सिंदूर बहुत प्रसिद्ध है और ओरिजिनल माना जाता है।
On the second day, Bhabha Atomic Research Center scientist Shri S.C. Rawal visited the Palladian House. He shared his thoughts on nuclear energy and its peaceful applications with the children. During this interaction, the children engaged with S.C. Rawal, asking questions and satisfying their curiosity about nuclear energy.
Sir, in fusion, it requires 1 million degrees Celsius of temperature. Very good.
It requires a very, very high temperature. It requires more than 1 million. Good.
In addition, Dr. Varun Kapoor, the Director General of Police and a cyber security expert from Madhya Pradesh, also participated in the Palladian House annual educational camp. He provided guidance to students on the subject of the cyber world, explaining the increasing cyber crime in today's world and suggesting preventive measures.
तो जो अनसीन डेंजर है वो दिखने वाले डेंजर से हमेशा ज़्यादा डेंजरस होता है। वैसे ही साइबर डेंजर मैंने बताया कभी दिखता ही नहीं आपको। आप फ़ोन पे बात कर रहे हो, आपको क्या मालूम कौन है दूसरे साइड पे, कुछ भी बोल सकता है वो, कोई भी नंबर आपको डिस्प्ले कर सकता है या सकती है।
On the second day, renowned story narrator Bharati Dixit delivered a lecture on the life of Bhagat Singh. She made the students aware of important events and thoughts from Bhagat Singh's life, capturing the students' enthusiasm to learn more about him.
तो इससे भी हमें पता चलता है कि भगत सिंह जो थे उनका हमारे देश के प्रति कितना ज़्यादा प्रेम था, और वो उनकी जो दृढ़ता थी कि हमें भारत से जो अंग्रेज़ है उन्हें भगाना है और हमारे भारत को आज़ाद बनाना है, उसके लिए उनके अंदर कितना साहस था।
On the third day, famous television anchor and journalist Shri Sumit Awasthi visited the Palladian House annual educational camp. Shri Awasthi educated the children about anchoring, interviewing, and essential aspects of TV media. The students were visibly pleased to interact with Shri Awasthi, who also answered their questions about TV media.
जर्नलिज्म स्कूल को पास करके कैंपस इंटरव्यू में सिलेक्ट होके तो आपका जब आप न्यूज़ रूम में पहुंचोगे तो वो जो 10 बच्चों का 15 बच्चों का बैच आया होता है पहले साल में, उसमें आप अपने आप अलग हो जाते हो कि नहीं यार, शिया इज बेस्ट।
Included in the Golden Book of World Records, renowned cartoonist Dr. Devendra Sharma also participated in the Palladian House annual educational camp. Dr. Sharma not only expressed his thoughts on the sketch story but also created several cartoons to familiarize students with this art form.
कार्टून बनाने के लिए आप स्टाइल पे काम करते जाओ अपना धीरे धीरे धीरे, और अगर आइडियाज़ आ रहे हैं
उन्हें भी नोट करते जाओ और उनको बल्कि इम्प्लीमेंट करो, उनको लेके कार्टून्स बनाओ।
Dr. Avik Sarkar, a scientist from ISRO involved in the current solar mission Aditya L1, addressed the children during the Palladian House annual educational camp. He shared fascinating information about the solar system and the Aditya L1 mission, explaining its importance and operational details.
You must be knowing that the Earth has its own magnetic field. So this magnetic field is more like a dipole bar magnet, and that's what we have. And that magnet, because these are like solar, is actually saving us to hit by the sun straight away.
On the final day of the annual educational camp, Professor Dr. Swati Parashar from the Sweden attended the Palladian House seminar. As a professor at the University of Gothenburg, Dr. Parashar guided the children on various subjects through her lectures.
Krishna tries his best to tell people that if you inflict this war on your own people, this will be the destruction.
The primary focus of the Palladian House is not only to provide children with quality education, but also to make them truly capable individuals. Here, it's not just a race for grades, but an effort to instill life skill in children and build their true capabilities.
This camp is a model for the future, and I would thank to my school for organizing this such camp and giving us true knowledge and fun.
Thanks to lot my school, the Palladian House, for this.
The annual educational camp at the Palladian House is indeed to prove to be a milestone in developing skills and boosting self-confidence among students.